Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use pen and Scratch, and when you click the green flag, it will draw a face with the pen extension. So let's start. So first, you have to add the actual pen extension. So click down there and click add extension, and then actually there's no button that says add extension. Just click here and then click pen, and you first, we're gonna get, when green flag clicked, go to 0, 0, show, and we also need to erase all. I'm just copying this down of what I already have. Wait 0.1 seconds, and then we're gonna go get pen up. Pen up, go to, I'm just gonna type it in, negative 104 for the X, and for the Y it's negative 43. And then pen down, and then 3 go-tos. Drag it on. First one, negative 45, Y, negative 73, this one, 54, and negative 74, and then for the last one it's 88 and negative 55. Oh, negative 55. And then pen up, and go to 50 and 129. Pen down, oh wait, accidentally deleted that. Now X 50 and 129. And then 41 and then 63. Duplicate that one more time. Oh, you have the smile. Negative 74 and 121. Okay, one more. And then we hide. That should do it. So let's test it. Oh wait. Oh. This needs to be a pen up. I accidentally got pen down. Now, I should not do this. Yeah, it just draws a face. That was it, and you can click you can click somewhere on this screen and you can find another video, or you can subscribe, and yeah. Bye bye.